Control to the garage. Awesome. Coming up?
I think so.
Yep.
I'm working on it.
Are you going to the lobby?
Yes.
Right. Yeah, because if you go up to the lobby, then you take a left, and then you take a few other turns, you should be out into like the courtyard of the hotel. And then the entrance to the Shaw's Hotel is to the right.
Lobby.
Have a good night, guys.
Thank you. That way?
Yes, to the left. Let's deal with the Shaw's Hotel parking garage in Boston. This is a really nice OTIS elevator. I'm using my GoPro because my Handycam battery died. It's a very nice OTIS elevator. Here's the pictures.
P2.
Very peachy. I'm holding my Handycam too. Point the lens out real quick. See something here real quick. Hang on, give me a moment. Alright, we're gonna go to lobby. Listen to the motor. We are L. Now enter at P2. Oh, hey, you can see me in the window there. Check this out.
P2.
That's funny. Got all notice. I will send it to lobby. So we'll watch it close. There it goes. And that'll be it.